The versatility of a thermometer. A thermometer is a measuring instrument that measures the temperature variation. A thermometer has at least two parts: a thermocouple, which show the reading depending on the changing temperature, and a way of converting the change into a definite number. With modern thermometers, you can even program the device for a specific number of readings and repeat them as necessary. A thermometer will use either a liquid or gas thermoelectric generator to change its temperature. A thermometer that uses a thermocouple is very easy to use, and it consists basically of a pair of conducting pieces. These pieces are connected to each other through a metallic conductive link or cable. The first piece of the thermometer contains a mercury element. When the mercury expands, the thermometer reads that the mercury has expanded. The second piece of the thermometer contains a mercury reservoir filled with mercury. Most modern thermometers are mercury-sealed containers. A sealed mercury bottle will assure that the liquid is at the right temperature when it is placed inside. There are also thermometers that are made using plastic cases, but these thermometers are not as durable. A thermometer that uses infrared thermometers has two parts: a detector and a probe. The detector of a thermometer detects the presence of a difference between the temperature of the surrounding environment and the one being measured. The infrared probe is able to detect the presence of infrared energy. Infrared energy is invisible to the human eye, but it is emitted by heat sources such as flames and the sun. Because of this, thermometers that use infrared thermography have the advantage of being able to read temperatures much faster than thermometers that use the direct method. Modern thermometers come in different shapes and sizes. Some people even consider them to be a necessity. Small sizes of thermometers can be used to measure temperatures, while larger ones are ideal for continuous reading of temperatures over a larger area. Some thermometers are designed to be read from a distance, while others can be mounted on the finger or earlobe of the user. Thermometers are widely used by people from all walks of life. They are a valuable tool for the chef who wants to know the exact temperature at which the food should be cooked. A home baker can measure the temperature of baked bread and prevent undercooked or overcooked bread. A baker can avoid using low-quality flour and can check the temperature of uncooked eggs. An automotive repair technician can check engine temperatures after a car has been flooded, and a construction worker can prevent damage to expensive equipment by using a thermometer to make sure that the work area is adequately warm.